Hey everyone, how are you? What is URL rotation and how it helps in your marketing campaigns and how you can build your own URL rotation tool on a WordPress website? All of this will be explained in this lecture. Also, at the end of this lecture, we will have a free giveaway. So stay tuned and follow up. Okay friends, so what is URL rotation? Let's make things very easy by taking this small example. You are a marketer, maybe a CPA marketer, maybe an affiliate marketer, or maybe you have your own website, your own service, and you are marketing it. What you do simply, usually, we create a landing page and we share this landing page maybe on social media, maybe using email marketing, maybe using Bing ads or Google ads, and so on. Whatever marketing system you are using, you are marketing this landing page, this URL of the landing page. Now, as a good practice, you will create multiple landing pages and start promoting them all together, and then you can see which will perform better so you can optimize your campaigns later. Now with URL rotation, you can get all these landing pages, all these URLs, and put in the URL rotation service, and this service will automatically give you only one URL to market, to advertise, and will automatically rotate between different landing pages according to your options. You can say, as an example, landing page 1 will get 30% of the clicks, landing page 2 will get 20% of the clicks, and so on. So you can share now only one link and automatically it will rotate between multiple landing pages or multiple offers or multiple links, so you can understand which landing page is performing better. It's really very important if you understand the idea. Also, if you combine this with a URL shortener to track links, as I mentioned in my last section or my last lecture when I talk about URL shortening and how to track URLs, if you haven't watched it yet, please check the description, you will find the link about this video. It's very important also. So if you combine both URL rotation with URL shortener, you will get awesome results. You can track which landing page exactly is converting the most in your campaign, so you can optimize all the upcoming campaigns according to your results. This is how marketers study their campaigns. So this is about URL rotation in brief. Let's see now how you can create your own URL rotation service very easily inside your WordPress website for free. If you don't have a WordPress website, please check my description below. I have 2 videos about installing WordPress very easily on your own server. So you can install WordPress and test if you want. If you don't have, it's okay. Just follow with me these 2 minutes to understand this idea. It's very important. And please wait until the end of this lecture because I want to share with you a free giveaway. So here I am inside my WordPress website. Just go to plugins to install a new plugin. Click add a new and then click upload plugin. Click choose file and I will go to my desktop. I have this plugin here, WP Split Test. Just open it. I will share this plugin in the description below. You can find the link, download if you want. So click install now. You can see it's very simple. Okay, the plugin installed successfully. Just activate the plugin. And that's it. You can see how easy is this. Now go to settings and you will see something called split test URL rotator. Here you can create your links. Here it allows you to select a page. Just say sample page and click on save. Very nice. Now go to landing pages and here you can create a new rotation. Click add rotation and let's say the profile, test, whatever. You can name it by your marketing campaign or whatever you want. How many URLs you want to rotate? Let's say I have 3 URLs and here it is. It allows you to enter your landing page with its weight. The weight is the percentage how much this landing page will appear with respect to the whole campaign or the total number of URLs. So let's say I wanna go to my website. I will enter anything now. Let's say YouTube. This will be 40 as weight. The second landing page will be my website, educate.com, whatever. This will be also 40, and Google will be, as an example, 20%. Of course, here you will enter your landing page links and not YouTube and Google and such things. But just as an example, you enter this and now click on save and click add. Very nice. You can see now we have this test profile is running. Now it says refresh to view. Click on refresh and refresh the page. And here is a single URL that will be used in your campaigns. Let's copy it and say here, open it here. You can see now YouTube opened. If you try to test again, okay, this is my website. You can see it's rotating automatically between my URLs. If we now refresh and go to the analytics, you will see that we have 1 click on YouTube, 1 on Educate, and 0 on Google. As I told you, if you combine this URLs and insert them in a URL shortener to track them, this will help you really a lot. So that's it. This is how you can install this small split test rotator in your WordPress website and start your own URL rotation service. Okay, now it's time for the giveaway. I will select one of you to get a free WordPress hosting for 1 year. Just comment below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will choose at the end of this month one of you to get free WordPress hosting for 1 year, 1 total year, 12 months. So that's it. Thank you for following and see you later. Thank you for following. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like the video, and to press on the bell for notifications. You can also view our other lectures. Thank you and see you in other videos.